Hello students, I am Assistant Professor Dr. V.D. Jadhav, People's College, Nanded, Faculty of Commerce. Today I am going to take lecture on the subject of Advanced Accounting Second, particularly for BCom third year 6th semester students who are learning from Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded. Under this subject I am going to take topic accounts of profession, in that only solicitor account. In the topic, I am going to take question number second. Mr. Gopal is a solicitor. His trial balance as on 31st December, 31st March 2018 was as follows. Particular debit rupees, credit rupees, first item capital, capital, credit side rupees 3,12,500. Next, profit cost, credit side 2,50,000. Next, drawing, debit side amount rupees 62,500. Furniture amount rupees 1,25,000. Rent amount rupees 25,000. Salaries amount rupees 62,500. Postage amount rupees 6,250. Client for cost 47,500. Client for disbursement ₹26,250. Law books 3,750. cash in hand, 15,000. Cash at bank, in bracket, client, 38,750. Cash at bank, office, 90,000. Total of credit side, 5,62,500. Same total of debit side, 5,62,500. Adjustment, first adjustment, outstanding salary, rupees 3,500. Second adjustment, depreciation on furniture, 10%, and law books, 15%. Prepare profit and loss account on to year ended 31st March 2018, and balance sheet as on that date. Solution, in the books of Gopal, profit and loss account, debit side, particular use. Balance sheet as on balance sheet as liabilities rupees, assets rupees. First, before taking a solution, read out carefully adjustment, outstanding salaries. Hence, I am underlining this item salaries, depreciation, furniture and law books. Furniture underline, law books underline due to adjustment. Capital is one also with an item of the adjustment underline. Drawing is one also with an adjustment underline. Now over. First item capital. Capital should be on the liability side of the balance sheet. With an adjustment, hence inner column 3,12,500. Next item profit cost. Profit cost is the item of profit and loss account credit side. By profit cost amount rupees 2,50,000. Drawing. Drawing is the item of balance sheet deduct from liabilities after profit adding less drawing. Amount rupees 62,500. Next item furniture. Furniture is the item of asset. Hence balance sheet asset side furniture. Adjustment on furniture, hence furniture amount inner column 1,25,000. Next item rent. Rent should be profit and loss account debit side. 2. Rent should be recorded after salary. 2. Rent amount rupees 25,000. Salary. Salary is the first item of profit and loss account. 2. Salaries amount rupees 62,500. Next item postage. Postage is also profit and loss account debit side. 2. Postage. Clients for cost is the item of asset side. Client for cost 47,500. Client for disbursement 26,250. Both items are recorded to the asset side. Client for cost 47,500. Client for disbursement 26,250. Both items are asset. Next item, logbooks. Logbooks is the item of asset. Logbooks amount of is 63,750. Adjustment on this item, hence I am taking amount inner column. Next item, cash in hand, 15,000. Cash in hand is the item of asset. Amount of is 15,000. Next, cash in hand, clients, cash at bank, office, both item recorded to the asset side. Cash at bank, clients, 38,750. Cash at bank, office, 90,000. Next, first adjustment, outstanding salary, rupees 3,500. Adding concern item. Concern item is recorded to the profit and loss account debit side. Hence, outstanding salary rupees 3,500. Recorded to the profit and loss account debit side. Total outer column 62,500 plus 3,500. Total outer column 66,000. Second effect, balance sheet liability side, outstanding salary 3,500 outer column. Next adjustment, depreciation on furniture 10%. Hence, less from concern item, 10% depreciation, that is 12,500. Total after deduction of depreciation, furniture item, outer column 1,12,500. Second effect, profit and loss account debit side, 2 depreciation on furniture 12,500. Next adjustment, depreciation on law books 15%. Yes. Less 15% depreciation, 15% on 63,750, that is 9,563. 9,563. After deduction of depreciation, law book outer column 54,187. Second effect, profit and loss account debit side, 2 depreciation, on law books 9,563. Then next, hidden adjustment, drawing, deduct from capital, I have taken already. Next, clients for cost amount rupees 47,500. Same effect should be recorded to the liability side as well as profit and loss account debit side as a provision of two sorry liability side reserve for unrealized profit. 47,500. Same provision should be recorded to the profit and loss account debit side. 2. Reserve for unrealized profit 47,500. This is the same as client for cost. Now close profit and loss account. Profit and loss account credit side total 2,50,000. Profit and loss account debit side total 1,66,000. 1,66,813. Means 2,50,000 minus 1,66,813. The difference is 83,187. Both sides are tallied from 2,50,000. The difference is whenever credit side is more than debit side, it means the difference is the net profit. Net profit adding capital to the liability side of the balance sheet. Net profit. $83,187. Capital 3,12,500 plus 83,187. That is 3,95,687 less 62,500 depreciation. Sorry, drawing. Then final amount outer column 3,95,687 minus 62,500. So total outer column 3,33,187. Then create total of liability side 3,84,187. Asset side total also same 3,84,187. I hope you have understood. Thank you.